Let's talk subtraction. When students first learn subtraction, they learn subtraction means take away. So this problem would mean 32 take away 18. So if you think about this on the number line, we would start at 32 and we would literally take away 18. So we would go 18 jumps back and that would put us at 14. Okay. Now, subtraction can also be thought of as the difference between two numbers, which on a number line means the distance between those two numbers. So if we look again at the number line, here's 32 and here's 18. And we want to know how far apart those numbers are. If we count those spaces, we will see that they are 14 units apart. So we see that the subtraction can mean take away, and it can also mean the distance or the difference between two numbers. And there are two strategies that we use quite often that are based on that second idea of distance. The first one is the constant difference strategy. So if we're subtracting 32 minus 18 and we're trying to do mental math, a lot of people would say make the subtrahend friendly. So we can make 18 a friendly number by adding 2 to it and making it a 20. And if we add 2 to the subtrahend, we have to add 2 to the minuend. So I want you to look at what that looks like on the number line. We took this problem, 32 minus 18, and we basically just shifted it on the number line. These two numbers are still the same distance apart. We just now have an easier problem to do mentally. We have 34 minus 20, which is 14. So that's the constant difference strategy. That's one strategy that's based on the distance between the numbers. Another strategy is the adding up strategy. So let's go back to 32 and 18. We can add up from 18 and see how many jumps it would take us to get to 32. And we could count them individually and we would get 14. Or as we get better at mental math, we will take those jumps in bigger pieces. So maybe we say plus 2 to get to 20, and then plus 10 to get to 30, and then plus 2 more to get to 32. And when we're doing adding up, we total up our jumps to get our answer, and you can see here that 10 and 2 and 2 make 14.